So here's the illustration to go along with that last poem. So this is probably close to the image that you created in your head using that imagery in the poem. J is for Jingle, the sweet tooth candy shop. Taffy suckers and lollipops, lemon, lime, and orange gumdrops. At the Sweet Tooth Candy Shop, it's the sweetest place to stop. Peppermint sticks and chocolate bars. Drive right up here in your car to the Sweet Tooth Candy Shop. It's the sweetest place to stop. Is candy what you like to eat? Then you will find all sorts of sweets at the Sweet Tooth Candy Shop. It's the sweetest place to stop. So a jingle is basically like a slogan where they're trying to sell something. They usually represent a store or some sort of shop. K is for Kyriel. Oh, don't you wish to swim with dolphins or with whales, fly in space or on a comet's tail, or float in bubbles, golden blue? Oh, don't you wish your dreams were true? To play with animals that talk, through magic kingdoms take a walk, or have a fairy tickle you? Oh, don't you wish your dreams were true? To soar like eagles, wings spread wide, or down a crystal mountain slide, each morning when you wake anew? Oh, don't you wish your dreams were true? So we are going to pause here. You're going to give me the repetition. What repetition do we see in this poem? Also, what is our rhyme scheme here?